Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the Volkswagen service light. That's right. When your car is due for an oil change, the service light will turn itself on. It's like a timer. It's like countdown from 1 mile to 10,000 miles. There are two methods of resetting the service light. For the higher end VWs, it has a special interface built in the car, which make the resetting the service light easier. But with the base model like the Tiguan S, it doesn't matter what year, Beetle, GTI, it doesn't have that nice interface. You have to do it manually, which I'm going to show you. My daughter is here today to show me. Come on in, Brenna. I'm gonna show you how to reset VW service light in the high-end model. This is an SE model. So come on here, Brenna. Okay, for this model, it's really easy. Come and show them what you want to do. You just want to turn the car on. There you go. And then show them here. And press this button right here. Do you see that? This is the high-end model of VW. The thing is, it has this interface. Click on it. And then you want to, until you find the setting mode. So once you find the setting mode, see there's different kind of, okay, what you want to do, you find the setting mode and you want to scroll down. Oh, sorry, it keeps going back to the phone mode. You want to find the service interface and click OK right here, Brenna, and you click OK, and then go ahead, show them again. You want to go to reset, and it will ask you, do you really want to reset the service? And you click OK. Now the service is reset, so you want to click info and check it. Okay, the next service will be in what, 10,000 miles or 372 days. So yeah, that's it. This is the higher end VWs. Okay, not all VWs have this nice feature. My wife VW Beetle is totally different. Some of your Tiguans or GTIs, they are different, and it will frustrate some of you, and you're probably wondering, where in the world is the interface? My wife VW Beetle doesn't have that. Let's go, Bernard. I'm gonna let my daughter to the other side. I still don't understand why VW don't make everything is the same. All right. With this model, can you show them? There's no interface. There is no computer interface. What you want to do with this one? Do you see this light? This button here is called set button. 00 set. So what you want to do, you want to press it, hold it, and then get your key and put it in the ignition and turn the car on. Look at this. Show them, Brenna. Hold it for 10 seconds. And you see the service light icon is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then release and press it again for another 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. So basically, that's how you do it. There's a huge difference, right? The VW Tiguan or the higher end model, or any VWs with higher end model like the SEL version, and of this car, Beetle has the same interface, but some of the VWs don't have it. Anyway, that's all, guys. I hope you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's try it one more time. What you want to do, come here, Brenna. You want to hold this and then turn the car on. Now the maintenance light is on, and then we want to press it for 10 seconds to clear it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, there you go. Now it's gone, the maintenance light, so you can turn the car off. Anyway, that's all, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day.